In this video, you will learn how to make a fake Onlyfans link. First, open any internet browser. This could be Google Chrome or Safari. Then, search up any image. Select the three dots on the photo itself. Next, copy the photo link. Now, open Instagram. On Instagram, select the plus and then click Add Story, or the plus at the bottom of your screen. Here, try to snap a random photo or use a photo from previously. Now, click on the smiling rectangle in the upper right hand corner, then select Add Link. Here, paste the URL of your photo into the tab. After that, click Done. Here you can see the image link. Next, do it again by clicking on the link, then pasting the link once again. After that, click Customize Sticker Text. Under Sticker Text, all you have to do is input the fake OnlyFans link. Then click Done. Now, that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.